Hello, in this clip we're going to be creating the TSE chart. After you have downloaded and installed the strategy, there are some templates and bar types that are loaded with the strategy. So to create a new chart in NinjaTrader 8, you go to the control panel up here, you select New. About a third of the way down you'll see the word Chart. Click on that, and in a short second or so this dialog box appears, which is the data series dialog box. You're going to select your instrument type. In this case, it is TSE, the NQ. So we go ahead and select the NQ. And when you see the NQ load, you will see that the TSE bar type has been selected by default. If this is the first time you are doing this, this default type will typically be tick and not TSE bar because it's at the top of the list. So all you would simply do is, this is what it would look like if you hadn't run this already. You just go ahead to the drop-down list, go all the way to the bottom and select TSE bar. So be sure that you have the TSE bar type selected in here, and it loads with its own default settings. There's also a template that's included with the strategy, which you can access from here for the chart. If you click on it, if you have other templates, they would appear in this list, but you can see there's a template called TSENQNT8. Go ahead and select that, and then down here say OK, and after a second or two your chart appears with any data that the system has already been able to capture. And that is your TSE bar type set up and ready to go. We will do another little video clip about adding your strategy to this chart.